be studying about the median. Now what is median? Median is the value which divides the series into two equal parts. So median is that value of the variable which divides the group into two equal parts. One part comprising all the values more than the median value and the other part comprising all the values smaller than the median value. So in order to calculate the median, what you have to do, first and foremost important thing what you have to do is arrange the series in ascending or descending order. So this is the first and the foremost thing you have to do in the case of median. So let's suppose this is your items, let's say 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 5 items, right? So what is your middle item? Your 6 is your middle value. So this is your median in this case. All the values above are less than 6 and all the values below are above 6. So in this case 6 is your median value. This is just an example, but you have the formulas in order to solve the various form of series, like your discrete series if you have, your continuous series if you have. So median simply is your middle value. Let's see the merits and demerits of median. Number 1 is your simplicity. It is very simple to calculate and to locate in the series, free from the effect of extremes values. As the mean was affected by the extreme values, your median is free from it. Certainty. Certainty is the other merit of the median. Median value is always certain, specific value in the series. Real value. Your median value is the real value and is a better representative value of the series compared to the arithmetic average, the value of which may not exist in the series, but the value of median exists in the series. Graphic presentation. You can find out median through graphic presentation also. So you can estimate your median using graphs. Possible even when data is incomplete. Let's suppose you have the data of 50 students. Let's suppose you have a data of, let's take an example, 11 students, right? So your median value will be the 6th value, and you have only the data related to 7 students, and rest the collection of data for the other 4 students is still left, but you can find out the median value in that case. So possible even if your data is incomplete. Then comes your demerits. Lack of representative character. It is not the mean value, so it does not represent the whole value of the series. So median fails to be a representative value in the case of such series, the different values of which are wide apart from each other. Second is unrealistic. When the median is located somewhere between the two middle values, it remains only an appropriate measure, not a precise value. lack of algebraic treatment. You cannot do various algebraic treatment on the median. You cannot make any further statistical methods on the median. So there are very few statistical methods that you can use on median if you compare to the arithmetic mean. So these are your merits and demerits of the median. I hope you like our video. Please download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.